Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to message a recipient from broadcasts on WhatsApp. If you want to send a message to a recipient from your broadcast list, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your broadcast list. This is the list where you have your recipients grouped. Step 3. Tap the three dots located at the top right of the screen. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 4. From the menu, select Broadcast List Info. This will take you to the information page of your broadcast list. Step 5. Under the Edit Recipient section, tap the recipient you want to message. This will open their profile within the broadcast list. Step 6. Finally, tap Message to compose and send a message to the selected recipient. By following these simple steps, you can easily message a recipient from your broadcasts on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to communicate individually with specific recipients within your broadcast list. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.